guys, so I'm going to start with the Marigold palette today. I'm going to be using the color Underground, which is a dark brown with like a tint of red. I'm going to be applying this higher than my normal cut crease. So I'm going to be blending and then I'm going to be patting in the color as well. And right here I am cutting the crease using micellar water, and I'm going to go in with some concealer. I'm going in with the same color Underground. I'm going to be adding this to the inner and outer corner of my eyes. Going in with this red shadow called Slice, and I'm going to be adding that right in the middle. I'm going to be adding some glitter on top of that red shadow, and this is called Passionate. And I'm going with this light beige color called Mission. I'm going to be applying that on my brow bone and blending that in. Now time for the face. I'm using this mattifying face primer from Ulta. I love, love, love this stuff. For foundation, I'm going to go in with Milani, and I'm just going to be dabbing this with a beauty blender. From here, I'm going to be setting my under eyes with RCMA powder and banana powder from Makeup Revolution. Alright guys, so it's time to see how I like the new e.l.f. powder foundation. I got the color Light Neutral. I think I did a pretty good match. So I went ahead and applied this on my face. I really like the coverage that it gives me. It is a little powdery in the beginning. I did notice that, but I did realize that once I did my whole makeup, everything came out really good and the powderiness went away. So I'm going to keep trying this out to see how I like it. So I'm going in with some bronzer here, and this one is the NYX. I really love this one. And for lips, I'm going in with a nude lipstick. I know I always go in with a nude lipstick. I don't know why, but I do love nude a lot. And for lipstick, I'm going in with this one from Joa in the color Honey. So this is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this look and the video. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.